Did you know for lasting weight loss, you need to listen? What? Oh yeah. Today, I'm so excited to teach you the number one thing that you can do to keep you healthy and bring your body to the perfect weight, especially in midlife. I'm Kathryn Chess. I'm your nutritionist and marvelous midlife coach. I'm wondering, did your parents ever tell you that there were starving kids in Africa and you had to eat everything on your plate? What a crock. Or maybe you gagged down foods that you didn't like because the food was just good for you, but it tasted awful. This is no way to live, right? You deserve so much more. So instead of listening to the latest health guru, diet fad, or your coworker who's just released 50 pounds, or even me, you need to listen to your body and give it what it needs. I believe so many of our health conditions, they're created because we're listening with our brains instead of our bodies. You know, your brain lies to you. You might not realize it, but it does. It tells you your habits and unhealthy behaviors, they're not so bad. It convinces you that you need to stay in your comfort zone to stay safe. And what you're doing right now, it feels comfortable. So you keep doing it. When you listen to the messages in your body, the ones your body's sending you, your body, this gets good, it guides you to finally live in a body you love. Your body cries out with all the symptoms that you might have. It says, please heal me. And instead of listening to these messages, you simply keep plowing through, doing the things that you're doing. These messages, you probably know it with your symptoms, they get stronger, they get louder and louder. Maybe, like me, you've blamed your body for not being strong enough, thin enough, tough enough, or just plain not good enough. But here's the truth. None of this is your body's fault. Whether you know it or not, your body, it's speaking to you all day long. It's telling you on an ongoing basis what it needs, what it really needs to keep you healthy, comfortable, and let's face it, happy. We've all been taught to ignore our body's needs. We listen to the external sources, the ones that tell us to do things like walk 10,000 steps a day and eat bland, boring pond scum to really get healthy and bring your body to its perfect weight. Well, how's that working for you? Yeah, okay, I have a confession. I do walk 10,000 steps a day and sometimes more, and it works for me. Unfortunately, many of my clients, they have exercised too hard and burned out their endocrine systems. They bring themselves back to balance by listening to their bodies and bringing themselves to that place. I like to call it the Goldilocks position. Just right. From our earliest days, we were told when to eat and what to eat. And over the years, we've learned to judge ourselves, to really conform to what society says will work for you. You're unique. You're special. We are all different. It's not one size fits all. So it's time to really listen to your body and discover what your marvelous body wants. Your brain may want unhealthy foods, things like ice cream, macaroni and cheese, to really soothe yourself when you're having an incredibly stressful day. I'm sure you've been there. So when you listen, you're going to discover what your body really wants is delicious, healthy serving of vegetables maybe, or some protein to give your body the fuel that it needs to help you feel and look fabulous. Or maybe instead of food, it wants something else. It wants to take a walk in nature. It wants to take a luxurious bath. You gotta listen. And when all you do is give it processed packaged foods and the latest sitcom, hey, Does that nourish your soul? You know the answer. So what if you decided to stop letting your brain run your life and you started connecting and trusting your body's deep inner wisdom to keep you healthy, to keep you strong? Well, I know, this can be a tall order. And to help you get there, I have some exercises for you. They're my favorites. You simply need to speak to your body with love. No more blaming, shaming, or complaining. Think about how you respond when someone told you totally loves you, okay? It's different, right? So when you treat your body this way, your body, it starts acting in kind. Just get started by going to a mirror and looking directly in your eyes. Breathe into your body, like from the head to the toes. Become aware of your body. Touch yourself like you would pet an animal. An animal you adore. Pet your arms, nurture yourself, and say this: dearest body, I love you exactly the way you are. Thank you for keeping me alive and supporting me. I respect and honor you. I know you have the wisdom to help me heal. So I'm getting out of my way and choosing to allow you to lead the way. And then look in your eyes again, breathe, and say, I love you. Then make a divine commitment to replace any negative thoughts that you have about your body with thoughts of gratitude for how well your body works and how many ways it serves you throughout your entire day. Just tell yourself, I am enough, I'm worthy, and thank your body for everything it does for you. Really get kind with your body. So I want to know how this exercise works for you. Just put it in the comments below and tell me about your experiences. And if you like this exercise and you want to learn more about how to live a marvelous midlife, join me for my Marvelous Midlife Method. The links are below, and we're going to have so much fun getting happier and healthier in midlife. I'm Kathryn Chess. I'm your Marvelous Midlife Coach. I inspire you, midlife women, to live in a body and life that you absolutely love. And if you like this, hey, I would be so honored if you'd subscribe to my channel, especially if you're in midlife and you want to become even more marvelous than you already are. Subscribe, click the link, hit the bell, and I can't wait to see you often with these videos. See you soon.